Alright guys, so we are here at the Golden Gate after getting shut down for filming at the plaza. I didn't even make it in the fucking entryway before they shut me down. So we will go in the Golden Gate. Hopefully have some better luck in here. So we are at the Golden Gate here, downtown Las Vegas. We are right off Fremont Street, so there's a little gaming area right over to the right here. Make our way all the way through the Golden Gate here for you guys, since Plaza shut us down. Like, I literally made it into the door. I'll probably show you guys the clip, but I literally made it into the door and got told that you can't film there, so oh well. I guess they don't want free advertisement. But there are plenty of other places that will, so forget it. Let's go. So it looks like they got some gaming here. We'll kind of walk by and do a quick walkthrough, see what they have for limits here. See crabs, they got $5 minimums. See $1 minimums. Super for $5 minimums at Golden Gate. Oh, over on the left is the bar here. Got blackjack, $5 minimums, 3-card poker, $5 minimums, and free bet. Blackjack for $10 to the minimums on those as well. Over here is the restroom area, a little small gaming area back over here. Golden Gate's kind of tiny. It's not really that big of a resort or casino by any means, but it is kind of nice. I like gambling here. Nice little bar here. I like all the TV set up, that's pretty dope. You got games and stations too, so if you're sitting at the counter, you can definitely sit at the counter, have a beer, enjoy the game if you're here during football season, baseball season, or any of the other sports. Got more of a casino background floor back over here. Player stub card is over to the right if you guys want to sign up for that. We'll go over to the right and then kind of work our way to the other side of the casino here. So they have a bunch of new machines in here, guys. I can't believe that how much they've expanded all the new machines. They used to have a bunch of old ones in here, but looks like they got a whole bunch of new gaming. We'll do a slow panorama here. You got the new Willie, the new Simpsons. It's giving me all ideas for this live stream that we're going to do later, guys. So I hope you all enjoy the live stream. But the live stream will actually be live before these videos are put up. So be in reverse order. I hope you guys like these walkthroughs. Got 007, Lord of the Rings, Lightning Link. These are one of my new favorites. They've been doing really well since I've been in the city. A bunch of Crazy Money. Crazy Money is a good one right there too. It's one that I like to play as well. Monopoly is a good one. It's kind of hard to win on. The best thing in Monopoly is when you get the bonus though.
Hey, what's a gal gotta do to get some action around here, huh?
But we're right to the entrance here that will take you back out to Fremont Street, but we're kind of going to work our way around here and go back towards the front of the casino on the right-hand side here. What a beautiful place this is. Lots of new machines, guys. It looks like an awesome place to get down and gamble. We might have to do a live stream here later on and film from inside the Golden Gate here in Las Vegas downtown. We got the Wheel of Fortune in 3D here. That's a good game to play. I like that. I hit pretty decent on that down at South Point, I believe. Mom was playing the original Buffalo today and hit like $75 on it, so good for her. Good win. Recoup some of the losses that we've experienced that very first day. But we're getting her back though, slowly. She's coming back to the pocketbook, guys. anyways, I think that will pretty much do it here for the Golden Gate, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, be sure to throw up a big thumbs up on the video. Let me know you like it. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'll make it easier for you by clicking on that 4K logo down in the bottom right section. Support the channel by buying merchandise off the merch store or by donating to the channel as well. That will help create more content like this. But again, guys, my name is Ryan. I've been your host through all these epic walkthroughs. We'll continue to do so, and you all have a great rest of your day.